Hit it, Duck!
Yeah.
The Punisher has been branded a global terrorist after a violent military regime took over the small country of Chernaya and enslaved its people. Nick Fury recruited Frank to kill the corrupt orchestrators of the coup, some of whom were ex-Shield. Fury even lent him the War Machine armor to ensure his success, but it all went to hell when Frank ignored Fury's directives to stand down, almost started a nuclear war and subverted Fury's plans to either take back or destroy the armor once the mission was complete. Now Frank is armored up and back in New York City, and New York's heroes are not happy.
Bloody brilliant! Danke, Kamerad!